Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at division of number-based systems. So in our previous lectures, we've seen how to add number bases, subtract number bases, and multiply number bases. You can see those videos on my playlist on number-based systems. So but today we are looking at division of number-based systems. So we have two examples that we'll be considering in this particular video. So the first one is 302 base 6 divided by 5 base 6. So in order to divide numbers in base 6, what you're going to do is convert the numbers from base 6 to base 10, divide them, and then convert them back to base 6. This is a simple method of getting this done. Let's do it together. So we have 302 base 6, divided by 5 base 6. So here we are going to convert 302 base 6 to base 10, convert 5 base 6 to base 10, and then divide them and then take it back to base 6. So let's do that. Let's convert 302 base 6 to base 10. 302 base 6. So converting base 6 numbers to base 10, we have already been taught how to do that. So we have 0, 1, and 2. So this will be 3 multiplied by 6 to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 6 to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 6 to the power of 0. So what is 6 to the power of 2? 6 to the power of 2 is 36. So we have 3 multiplied by 36 plus 0 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 36 is going to give us 108. So this will be 108 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 0 plus, this is plus here. And 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 2, so plus 2. So at the end of the day, we're going to have 108 plus 0, this will give us 108, plus 2, this will give us 110. Base 10. So this answer is in base 10. Next, we are going to convert 5 base 6 to base 10. So we have 5. And above 5, we're going to have 0 because it's just the unit number. So this will be 5 multiplied by 6 to the power of 0. And we know that 6 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5 base 10. So 5 base 6 is also the same as 5 base 10. So we have converted 302 base 6 and 5 base 6 to base 10. So the next thing we're going to do is divide them. So 110 divided by 5, this will give us 22. So we have 22 base 10. So we have converted to base 10, we have divided. So the next thing is to convert our answer back to base 6. So let's do that. Convert 22 base 10 to base 6. So to do that, we're going to divide 22 repeatedly by 6. So this will be 22 divided by 6. We're going to have 3 remainder 4. And we divide again by 6. We're going to have 0 remainder 3. For more understanding of how to convert from one number base to the other, I've created 2 videos that will help you understand how to convert from base 10 to other bases and from other bases back to base 10. So this will mean 22 base 10 is equal to 34 base 6. So this means, therefore, 302 base 6 divided by 5 base 6 is equal to 34 base 6. So that becomes the answer to that question. Let's look at the second question. In the second question, we are considering numbers in base 4. So We are going to convert 13,233 base 4 to base 10, convert 23 base 4 to base 10. When we are done with that, we divide that and then bring it back to base 4. So let's do that. Question B, we have 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, base 4. So above 3, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So this will mean 1 times 4 to the power of 4 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 0. Okay? So what is 4 to the power of 4? 4 to the power of 4 is 256. 256 multiplied by 1. So that will give us 256 plus 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 64 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 192. So we have 192 plus 4 to the power of 2 is 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 32. Plus 4 to the power of 1 is 4. And 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Plus 4 to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 3. So we have converted this value this way. So when you add them all together, you are going to have 495 base 10. So we have converted this base 4 value to base 10. Now we need to convert 23 base 4 to base 10. So we have 23 base 4. Above 3 we have 0, and above 2 we have 1. So this will give us 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of 0. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Multiplied by 2, that gives us 8. Plus 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Multiplied by 3, that gives us 3. So the equivalent of 23 base 4 is 11 base 10. So the next thing we are going to do is divide 495 by 11. 495 by 11. So dividing the base 10 numbers, which is 495 all over 11. Since they are in base 10, you can just simply use your calculator to get your answer. And the answer is going to be 45 base 10. So now we've gotten our answer in base 10 to be 45 base 10. Our next step is to convert 45 base 10 back to base 4. So convert 45 base 10 to base 4. So this would be 45 divided by 4. 45 divided by 4 is going to give us 11, remainder 1. 11 divided by 4 is going to give us 2, remainder 3. And 2 divided by 4 is going to give us 0, remainder 2. So this means, therefore, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 base 4 divided by 23 base 4 is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 base 4. So this is a simple process of dividing number-based systems. So if you are given numbers in a particular base to divide, the first thing you do is convert those numbers to base 10, divide them normally, and then convert your answers back to the base that you are working on. I'd like you to solve this simple question if you understood the topic classwork, simplify, two, 4, 3 base 6 divided by 20 base 6. I like to see the answer to your question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.